In this video, guys, I'm going to talk about the funnelfreedom.io. So basically, this is a all-in-one software for marketing. You can build landing pages, funnel, you can store your contacts, build email sequence. But let me show you this part, the funnel freedom tab. So basically, right now, there are 1,000 people in the wait list because this software is going, Jonathan is going to launch very soon. And here I want to explain you some important things you need to do so you can start using this system to promote multiple products. Okay, so we're going to do the step number one. We're going to go to sites. Let me see. Okay, sites. Then click here. FF do not delete. Click on configuration. And here I'm going to open this page. And I'm going to copy this URL. Then I'm going to go to settings. Then custom values. And I'm going to click on this one. And I'm going to paste here. Paste. I'm going to update this value. So let me see. Now I'm going to go to the same tab, this one, Funnel Freedom, and let's see. Okay, you can see that it changes, right? So right now I need to update. I need to copy and paste the white label course link, add here my full name, first name, add my link for my Facebook, for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and also I can put a URL of my own photo. Because what we're going to do with this software is that we're going to be able to promote all of these products. So check this out. Inside of the software, there is an email sequence that is going to promote all of these products. The 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator. I need to copy and paste here the direct checkout, legendary marketer, wealth warriors, get response, Freedom Accelerator webinar. So this link is in the store 24, affiliate link for Funded Freedom, because we're going to be able also to promote this software, the affiliate link of Secret of Success, System.io, Repurpose.io, and vidIQ. Let me check. Visla, affiliate link for InVideo and for TubeBuddy. And then I just need to click here on update affiliate links. And once I have done all that steps, I can start sending traffic to the opt-in page. Now, white label course link. So I'm going to click here on sites. Then here Freedom Ascension. And I think that it's this one, the members area, module 1. I'm going to copy this and paste it. Let me show you from Freedom. Paste. Click update. One thing about this this part is that we can always like change our affiliate links. So sites, And this is the course that we're going to give in exchange for the email. So we need to send traffic to I need to send traffic to this opt-in page, and when people click here, take the free course, get instant access now, we can collect the name and the email. And then this software is going to send all the email sequence, which I think there are like 100 or 200 emails, I think, and it's going to start sending all this information to our contacts. And that is how we can start promoting these multiple products to make commissions with affiliate marketing. So if you want to get access to the wait list, I'm going to put a link in the description of this video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.